A lot of WordPress beginners get confused between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.org is the home of the open source WordPress software, and it's where you can download it and then host it anywhere. WordPress.com, on the other hand, is a complete WordPress solution, which includes both the WordPress software and the web hosting you need. WordPress.com, on the other hand, is a complete WordPress solution, which includes both the WordPress software and the web hosting you need. In this video, I'm going to explain the differences more and help you pick the right one for your goals. I'm very grateful that Automatic, the creators of WordPress.com, are sponsoring this video today. If you decide that WordPress.com is the right solution for you, you can grab a link to sign up in the description below. First, let's talk about hosting, and this is the main difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com is an all-in-one solution. Everything you need to build and run a website is ready to go, all in one place. You don't need to download WordPress and then find and pay for separate hosting. Their business and commerce plans support third-party plugins and themes, which give you the ability to customize your site, match your brand, and integrate all of your favorite tools. There is also a free plan, which is a really good option if you're just starting out and all you need is a simple blog with very little customization. With WordPress.org, you are responsible for finding your own hosting. Some web hosts will come with WordPress installed, but if not, you will have to install it yourself. And that brings us to costs. The WordPress.org software itself is open source and free, but like I just said, you do have to pay for hosting, your domain name, and any required additional options. With WordPress.com, there is that completely free option, which is really cool if you're just starting your business or you're just making a website for fun. To unlock more features, you will have to upgrade to one of their paid plans. The personal plan offers a simple ad-free option for only $4 a month. The premium plan gives you more design tools for $8 a month. If you're building a website for your actual business, I do recommend the business plan at $25 a month because with that, you can install all of your third-party plugins or themes, and you have access to advanced 24/7 expert support with a higher priority. If you're building an online store, you do want to choose the commerce plan. That includes everything with WooCommerce unlocked, and it also includes payment processing tools like WooPayments. Keep in mind that every WordPress.com site includes unlimited traffic, so you're never going to pay if your audience grows or if you get a sudden traffic spike, and that's something that's really rare in the web hosting world. Also, when you purchase a new annual plan for your WordPress.com site, it includes a free domain name for your first year. Next up, we have ease of use, and WordPress.com wins easily in this category. Everything is handled for you. You can get your website up and running in minutes without technical hassle. Their support team consists of actual WordPress experts that know the platform inside and out. WordPress.org definitely has a little more of a learning curve, so you should make sure you are at least a little comfortable with technology. Support will vary depending on which host you choose. Next is customization and control. The cool thing about WordPress.com is the amount of customization and control available to you will vary depending on which plan you choose, which helps you balance flexibility and cost. And it won't overwhelm you if you're not super comfortable with technology. With WordPress.org, you have full control of your software with your web host. You can use any plugin, any theme, and add custom code if you need to. Now let's talk about website maintenance. With WordPress.com, all of the maintenance is handled for you. That includes updates, backups, and security. So you can just relax and not worry about it. With WordPress.org, you are responsible for all of your maintenance. Some hosts will manage some of this for you, but you have to confirm that with the host. And don't think you can get away without doing maintenance. Your website will be vulnerable to malware and lose functionality if you don't keep it maintained. Next is migration, and this is actually my favorite part of working with WordPress. Because the great thing about building a WordPress website is the ability to migrate it very easily. You can migrate any WordPress site to or from WordPress.com wherever it's hosted. This is specifically the big reason I recommend WordPress.com over other free website builders for new business owners for their first website. If you've got no budget at all, you can start for free at WordPress.com and then easily upgrade as you grow. So the big question of this video is, which one should you choose? WordPress.org is the WordPress software only, which you download and run on the hosting you choose. So if you want to use your own host, you want to go with WordPress.org. Now, with WordPress.com, the WordPress software is bundled with the hosting and the managed services with different plans depending on your needs. So if you want an all-in-one solution with everything included for you, this is the best option. And that's it. Now you know how to choose which is best for you, WordPress.com or WordPress.org. If I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. If you're building your own website, make sure to check out the link in my description to grab your free download of my 9-step website roadmap, which will walk you through everything you need to do to get your site live from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching.